Welcome back to Crypto Chronicles. Today, I'll introduce you to an innovative investment platform, Earphone22. This platform lets you invest, choose VIP levels, and earn daily rewards. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, if you join using my referral link, you get a chance to earn up to $88 as a welcome reward. This exclusive offer is just for new users, so don't miss out. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. Disclaimer: signing up on Earphone22 is quick and easy. You can register using your email or phone number. Here's how: go to the registration page. Enter your email or phone number. Create a strong password, confirm it, and make sure to include my referral link for your exclusive rewards. Once you've completed these steps, you'll gain access to the platform. After logging in, you'll see an announcement: Welcome to Earphone Financial Mall. Known as one of the world's most reputable investment platforms, they prioritize integrity, trust, and long-term success. Take a moment to explore the platform and familiarize yourself with its features. Now, let's talk about how you can earn. Earphone22 offers VIP levels tailored to different investment amounts and returns. Each VIP plan is valid for 60 days, and your principal is refunded when the term ends. Here's a breakdown of the VIP levels and daily rewards. VIP 1. Deposit 9 USDT, earn $2 per day. VIP 2. Deposit 50 USDT, earn 12.8 USDT per day. VIP 3. Deposit 160 USDT, earn 42.1 USDT per day. VIP 4. Deposit 600 USDT, earn 162.1 USDT per day. VIP 5. Deposit 1,200 USDT, earn 333.3 USDT per day. VIP 6. Deposit 3,300 USDT, earn 942.8 USDT per day. VIP 7. Deposit 7,200 USDT, earn 2,117.6 USDT per day. VIP 8. Deposit 10,800 USDT, earn 3,272.7 USDT per day. VIP 9. Deposit 26,800 USDT, earn 8,375 USDT per day. VIP 10. Deposit 40,000 USDT, earn 12,903.2 USDT per day. VIP 11. Deposit 80,000 USDT, earn 26,666.6 USDT per day. Choose the VIP level that aligns with your goals and start earning today. To activate your VIP plan, you'll need to deposit funds. Earphone22 supports the following payment methods: BP20 USDT, TRX, TRC20 USDT, and BNB. Here's how to recharge your account. Copy the provided deposit address or scan the QR code. Use the BNB Smart Chain (BP20) network for transactions. Your funds will typically appear in your account within 1 to 3 minutes. If there's any delay, simply refresh the page or contact customer support for assistance. After recharging, head to the Earphone22 VIP dashboard and choose your preferred VIP level. Once selected, you're ready to start earning. Next, go to the Tasks section to collect your daily rewards. For example, I've chosen the VIP 1 package, and I'm earning $2.25 daily. You can easily track all your earnings in the completed rewards chart. It's as simple as that. Now, let's talk about withdrawals, because earning is only exciting when you can actually use your rewards. With Earphone22, withdrawing your earnings is just a one-click process. Here's how: choose a withdrawal method, BP20 USDT or TRC20 USDT. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, the minimum is 3 USDT. Add your withdrawal address. And note, the withdrawal fee is 0, and your funds are processed within 24 hours. Before confirming, make sure to check out 2 beneficial notices they provide on the withdrawal page. For example, I just withdrew my rewards, and hooray! I received them quickly and hassle-free. Earphone22 truly makes earning simple. Wait, there's more. You can also earn by inviting your friends to the referral program. Here's how it works. Share your unique invitation link, which can be promoted across social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Earn commission rewards across 3 levels: 12% from your direct referrals, 2% from your referrals, 1% from the third level referrals. For example, if someone deposits 1000 USDT, the breakdown is as follows: C earns 120 USDT, B earns 20 USDT, A earns 10 USDT. This multi-level system allows you to maximize your passive earnings while helping others explore the platform. And here's a reassuring detail: Earphone22 guarantees the authenticity of the project. The company is committed to adhering to legal standards and takes responsibility for any violations. Additionally, all investment funds are supervised by the U.S. Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, ensuring your funds are secure and managed responsibly. That's all for today. Earphone22 is a fantastic platform for earning daily rewards and maximizing your crypto potential. Don't forget to use the referral link in the description to get started with up to $88 in rewards. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on more earning opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Crypto Chronicles.